Good morning, children. My name is B. Ravinder Reddy. I am working at Government High School, Parpalli Street. We are at what acids and bases. We completed up to lecture number 25. In last lecture, what we are discussed about what salt hydrolysis. So today we will discuss about what compounds formed from common salt. Which compounds we are going to extract, which compounds we are going to prepare from common salt. Now let we discuss in what lecture number 26. In lecture number 26. Now let we discuss. Let me start. So compounds from common salt. We are preparing what? Sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, washing soda and baking soda. So common salt, what is common salt? This common salt is called as what? Sodium chloride. Sodium chloride is considered as what? Common salt. This one is also called as, this one is called as what? One common salt, and we are called as bleach. What this is the rock salt, and also called as what? Table salt. Whatever it may be called, the formula is what? Sodium chloride only. Formula is what? Sodium chloride. So now we prepare what from common salt? Sodium hydroxide, bleaching powder, washing soda and baking soda we prepare. Sodium hydroxide formula is what? NaOH. Bleaching powder formula CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. Washing soda formula Na2CO3, 10 moles of H2O, Na2CO3, 10 H2O. Baking soda NaHCO3, sodium bicarbonate. Here we can write 5 moles of H2O also we can write. So this is the what? These are the what about the common what compounds we will get from common salt. Now let me take what? First compound. What is the first compound? Sodium hydroxide. How we prepare what? Sodium hydroxide? Let me discuss. So sodium hydroxide formula is what? So NaOH. So we prepare what? Sodium hydroxide in what? Nelson method. In our what 10th standard we have what? Nelson method. Along with this Nelson method, Costner-Kellner method also present. But we have what? Nelson method. So in this Nelson method, we prepare sodium hydroxide from brine solution. Which solution? Brine solution. Brine solution is nothing but what? Sodium chloride. Brine solution is nothing but what? Sodium chloride. Molten sodium chloride is called as what? Brine solution. Molten sodium chloride is called as brine solution. Molten sodium chloride means what? Liquid sodium chloride. That means what? It has only NaCl liquid particles or liquid what molecules are present in that solution. No water. Does water is present? No water is present. Now how we will prepare? Now let me discuss. So first we take what? A rectangular iron vessel. What we take? A rectangular iron vessel I am taking. This is the what? Rectangular iron vessel I am taking. This rectangular iron vessel has what? Two one is what? Inlet, and one is what? Another one is outlet. So this is what? Inlet. It has what? Two side pipes. One is what? Considered as what? Inlet. Another one is what? Outlet. Through inlet we sent what? Water vapors. We sent what? Water vapors we sent. Through outlet we collect what? Hydrogen gas. How we will collect? Let me discuss. So in after what? First I took what? An iron vessel, rectangular iron vessel I will take, and what at the bottom? So I took what? Another plastic vessel or another what? Iron vessel. This is used to collect sodium hydroxide. It is what? Used to collect what? Sodium hydroxide. How we will collect? So let me discuss. So now, and after this what? A U-shaped asbestos tube. What I am taking? A U-shaped perforated asbestos what? Tube I am taking. U-shaped asbestos perforated tube. U-shaped asbestos perforated tube means what? Perforated tube means it has what? Small holes. It has what? Small holes. It is called as what? Perforated tube. So when we are considered what? This U-shaped perforated tube, asbestos So it is what asbestos U-shaped perforated tube. U-shaped what? Perforated tube. So after taking of U-shaped perforated tube, here what I took, in this what I took what brine solution. Which solution? Brine solution. It is called as what solution, but it is not solution, it is the what liquid. So this is the what sodium chloride liquid. Which one? Sodium chloride liquid. So sodium chloride liquid. After this sodium chloride liquid, now what I will what place a carbon rod. What I am placing here? A carbon rod here. Graphite rod or carbon rod. So this graphite rod or carbon rod is work size what anode. This is what work size anode. This is what work size anode. And this iron vessel is work size what cathode. Iron vessel is work size what cathode. Now this vessel is closed by arranging what side pipes. It is closed with what? By arranging of what? Side pipes. So this is the what about the apparatus we used in what so in this what preparation of sodium hydroxide by Nelson method. Sodium hydroxide by Nelson method. So now let me discuss what how we what prepare. How we prepare. So now whenever what this anode and cathode are connected to the battery, anode and cathode are connected to the battery, what will happen? Current is passed through the what this NaCl liquid. Whenever current is passed through the NaCl liquid, it is what ionized. NaCl is what ionized to Na plus and Cl minus ions. Na plus and Cl minus ions. Cl minus ions are having which charge? Positive charge. Cl minus ions are having which charge? Positive charge. Sorry, negative charge. So that's why those will goes towards what positive anode. Those will goes towards what? Positive anode. So anode is having positive charge. At anode which reaction takes place? As reaction takes place. Anode oxidation reaction. Anode oxidation reaction takes place. So that's why Cl minus ions, what is oxidation? Losing of electrons is called as what? Oxidation. It will loses one electron and form the chlorine atom. Chlorine atom is non-metal atom. Non-metal atoms are unstable. So that's why those combines with another chlorine and formed what? Chlorine gas. Chlorine gas is what? Formed. So now at this is what at anode. Cathode, at cathode, this is the what? Perforated U tube is the what? Let not perforated U tube, this iron vessel. So now Na plus ions are having which charge? Na plus ions are having what? Positive charge. Na plus ions are having positive charge. So where this will goes to having positive charge, so that's why this will goes towards what? Cathode. Cathode is negative charge. So Na plus ions are what? Goes towards what? Cathode. Goes towards what? Cathode. These are what comes out from that solution. Na plus ions size is what? Less than that of the holes of the perforated U tube. So that's why those will what? Come so outside come from the what? U tube. So U tube, whenever they are comes to the what outside or iron vessel, we sent what water vapors to the what? Inlet. Water vapors through the inlet. So that will react with water vapor and formed what sodium hydroxide plus Na plus H plus ions. This sodium hydroxide we will collect here. H plus ions are formed. This is the gas. So that's why again what these will goes towards the what cathode. So at cathode which reaction will takes place? Kakkas reaction will takes place. Cathode kshayakaranamu. Cathode reduction. Leda Carr reaction. At cathode reduction reaction will takes place. So that's why H plus ions will what? Absorbs one electron and forms what? Hydrogen. This hydrogen is a non-metal atom. So that's why combines with another non-metal atom and formed what? Hydrogen gas. And formed what? Hydrogen gas. So finally we are what? Collected sodium hydroxide here. At anode here what? At anode we are collecting which gas? Chlorine gas. At cathode we are collecting what? Hydrogen gas. So we are concentrated to prepare sodium hydroxide. We concentrated to prepare sodium hydroxide, but we got what? Hydrogen and chlorine gases. Hydrogen and chlorine gases as a byproduct, valuable byproduct we got. So this is the what about the preparation of what? Sodium hydroxide. Preparation of sodium hydroxide by what? Nelson's method. Nelson's method. So here what? So we prepare what? Sodium. Here we prepare what? Hydrogen gas we prepare. Chlorine gas we prepare. Sodium hydroxide we are prepared. Then what are the uses? Now let me discuss. So hydrogen gas is used. Hydrogen gas is used as a fuel. This is a what? Highly combustible gas and a good fuel, and it will not causes any pollution. So that's why this is a what? Good fuel. And it in order to prepare what? Margarine. Margarine means what? Dalda. So that means what? Whenever what we send hydrogen gas through oils, we will get what? Margarine or dalda we will get. Next one, it is used to prepare what? Ammonia also. Ammonia is a what? Fertilizer. So to prepare fertilizer also we are what? Used. Next one, uses of chlorine gas, let we consider. Uses of chlorine gas are what? It is used to water treatment. What is mean by water treatment? That means what? In order to what? Purify the water. When we send chlorine gas through water, what will happens? It will forms HOCl. It will forms what? HOCl. It is forms what? Hypochlorous acid. It will forms what? Hypochlorous acid. This hypochlorous acid will gives what? Nascent chlorine atoms. These nascent chlorine atoms will what? Kill the microorganisms which are present in the water. And it is used to prepare PVC. What is meant by PVC? Polyvinyl chloride. Ever you seen this polyvinyl chloride? Polyvinyl chloride is nothing but the pipes, plastic pipes what we are using in daily life. Next one, it is also used for disinfectant. And also it is used to prepare what? It is also used for what? Fertilizers. Preparation of what? Fertilizers, and as well as what? Pesticides. It is used to prepare what? Fertilizers and pesticides also. Then let me take what? Uses of sodium hydroxide. Is used to prepare what? In soaps industry, and as well as what? In detergents industry, and as well as what? In paper industry. So in these industries what? We used what? Sodium hydroxide. And this sodium hydroxide and what? NaOH we are collectively used to prepare calcium oxychloride. Bleaching powder we are used. So in order to prepare bleaching powder, these two are collectively used. To prepare what? HCl. What we are used? HCl. And what? Ammonium chloride. And what? To prepare medicines and cosmetics. To prepare what? Medicines and cosmetics we are used. So this is the what about the concept related to what? Preparation of what? So sodium hydroxide from common salt by using which method? Nelson's method. Nelson's method. In this Nelson's method we got sodium hydroxide. Along with sodium hydroxide, two important byproduct we got. Those are what? Hydrogen and chlorine. Okay.